Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. This is your buddy Crypto Prophet, and before we get started on the crypto news, I just want to show you guys the market right now is down 4% in the last 24 hours. However, we have a lot of green in the market, a lot of kind of recovery and stabilization here going on. A lot of big risers as well as small risers. We see things like XRP and Theta doing big rises in the last 24 hours. However, we also have things like Bitcoin, just kind of struggling a little bit still. And then we have things like VET that kind of just, stabilizing a little bit before hopefully increasing a lot. So we continue on to our crypto news now. 84% think Bitcoin price will top 100K in 2021, survey says. More than 80% of participants in a recent survey envision BTC breaking above $100,000 by December. That is a lot of money. And obviously, if you go down here, do you think Bitcoin will reach 500K, 288K, or 100K before December 2021? Or will BTC stay below 100K? A lot of people on this pool specifically believe 100K is a very, very reasonable spot, as well as 288K and 500K also being close behind, with the BTC will stay below, being second to last, right above that 500K plus. If we actually look at the tweet, it had 48,000 votes. Obviously, a lot of these people are in finance. I believe 100 trillion USD is the guy's name, so I'm not really sure on the account itself. However, this I found very interesting, and I believe it will top 100K in 2021 as well. So let me know in the comments if you guys believe it'll top 100K in 2021 or not. I might actually make that a poll for us to do, to see what our channel actually believes. So you guys gave me a good idea there, so we will be doing that poll. It'll be live for this channel here in a little bit. Texas chases after Wyoming with crypto law proposal, but challenges remain. Will Texas follow in Wyoming's footsteps to become the next crypto-friendly U.S. state? Hopefully so. I hope a lot more states realize, the impact that crypto is having all over. A lot of people are interested in this, so hopefully Texas, does chase after Wyoming with the crypto law proposal, but we'll see what happens. We'll go on to the next one now. An NFT made by a humanoid robot, Sophia, just sold for $688,000. So, NFT is still doing big things, obviously. And if you don't know who Sophia is basically a humanoid robot, like they said. And it's pretty crazy to know that it was able to make a NFT that sold for $688,000. Obviously, a lot of it comes down to just wanting something as crazy as a humanoid robot's NFT, but pretty cool stuff there. We will continue on now, and you can see that we are now on Asset Dash. I'm not sure why we are. However, we will go to the next spot. New Zealand's $350 million retirement fund gets into Bitcoin. So that is very cool as well. New Zealand's fund management Kiwi Saver Fund has exposure to Bitcoin since November. And you can actually scroll down and read more about this. A New Zealand retirement fund has invested 5% of its assets into Bitcoin, which is very, very cool. We will now move on to 77% of Americans are worried about inflation. I think this is very obvious. A lot of people should be worried about inflation for obvious reasons. As we kind of look at more polling, and it's kind of interesting seeing some of these polls as they continue to kind of push in the way of crypto. Crypto does seem to be a lot of people's favorite kind of thing, or favorite asset right now. If we move on now, we have Serena Williams headlines $5 million investment in Bitcoin reward startup Lolly. So tennis pro Serena Williams is investing in Lolly, a rewards app that allows people to earn BTC when they shop online. The crypto startup says it raised $5 million in its pre-series A funding round with Williams' investment firm Serena Ventures and her husband Alexis Hohen's venture capital fund 776 leading the group of investors. Now we go over to Germany creates a bridge between blockchain and euro. German authorities have developed technology allowing investors to buy and sell securities on the blockchain in return for central bank money, bridging a gap between two worlds that once seemed irreconcilable. I can never say that word as well, but you guys see where I'm at here. So Germany creates, that bridge between blockchain and euro, which is very, very big. Obviously, Frankfurt, German authorities creating this chain will, kind of tie everything together with the central bank and money all together. If you continue down, you can read more about the article. Obviously, big things there. If we go on to the next one, this should be our last article of this quick segment. This one is about Bitcoin and Ethereum primed to rebound despite losses. A lot of people believe while critical support level contains Bitcoin's price, Ethereum looks primed for new highs. So a lot of people are believing that this could be a very big weekend for Ethereum. They think this could be the new all-time high. We may even reach 2K by the end of this weekend for a lot of people seeing, Ethereum looking like it's primed, like they say, for new highs. Bitcoin has endured an 18% correction over the past 2 weeks and now sits on top of stable support. So we'll see how true that is in the last, with this upcoming weekend. Anything can really happen. A lot of money goes around during the weekend. So this should be an interesting weekend to watch the markets. Hopefully you guys are watching them with me. I do plan on probably doing a live stream, 1 or 2 live streams during the weekend. So hopefully to see you guys there. If you guys like this little segment, I will continue to try to get a little bit better on this. I'm so used to my price prediction segments that I'm trying to get a little bit more used to stuff like this crypto news segment. If you guys like it, definitely like the video. I've noticed you guys have liked these in the past. Like I said, I'll get better with them over time. Just like the video, subscribe, and turn that notification bell on if you guys want the notifications to pop up every time we make a new video with good information and new information. Thanks again, guys. I'll see you all in the next video.